Hey guys, we received this Chalkola 5 white chalk markers for chalkboard signs for test and try. So it's a blackboard, car window, bistro, glass or anywhere you want to use this liquid chalk. So comes in the different sizes. So you have to just shake it, push it and then you can just put it in here. So of course you can use on the blackboard, chalkboard signs or the chalk markers, but I'm just giving some demo here. Maybe you're not able to see properly, so let me use any different uh, the base. But these are a nice charger, like see on the wood how this looks like, and easily good to clean as well. They are white colors. So say this is a small charcoal board and you can just write and make the chalk thing here. So different shapes that you can use and then you can put it there. So nice markers with all different sizes, 1 mm to 15 mm, and then just use the windows or anything or the boards or anywhere you want to use, and easy to clean as well. So get creative with your markers and anything the way you want to use. So nice quality and nice chalks.